3 of them.
And there it is, next to the moon. Look at that. You know, I've been watching this thing for about the past 2 months, and you'll notice it's never been that close to the moon. This will show you, this isn't a star or planet, like I've been telling you. Look at that. That is not in orbit either. The moon is in orbit. This is why it's never been by the moon. That's interesting. This is what we see in the sky every day between 6 and it's going by 8. Why is it always going by 8 is beyond me. This thing is always going by 8. Never seen it this close to the moon, man. Don't know what that means, man. That's a dog, man. You know one thing, ain't no damn star.
They're not fucking airplanes, that shit is moving. That motherfucker's moving, dude. Stop and move away the fuck over there. Look at this one right here. It's doing some fucking weird shit. What the fuck is? Dude. That's not no fucking airplane on it. What the fuck is that shit? Whoa, what the fuck? Yo. This shit is fucking mania, homie. What is this shit? Yo, dude. There's some fucking freaky shit going on in the sky right now, homie. Am I tripping? Drop my cigarette. Hold on, y'all. Yeah. Left my door wide open and shit. Hold on. We got to the sky right now. Let me zoom out. There we go. Let's zoom in on this shit. Let's focus the camera a little bit. What is that? These are like orbs. I live in Las Vegas, right off the strip. You can't see no fucking stars, I've never seen any stars out here on my patio. Like, y'all heard that loud ass helicopter in the background? Like, literally, the hospital is right fucking here, dude. There's no, it's light everywhere. You can't see nothing in the sky. Barely see the fucking moon sometimes. This shit is mania, y'all. Where'd he go? There you go. See, that's what you guys, right there. I'm zoomed in all the way, so excuse my focus. Is that shit doing that by itself? It is. That's not me. Yo, that motherfucker is moving, homie. Dude, that motherfucker's moving. Look at this shit. Oh my goodness. What the fuck? What the fuck? Yo. Look how many of them it is. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Please tell me these are drones or something. 7. Can't be not that fucking high, man. That's high as fuck. It's higher than an airplane. 8, 9. They're not 9. Look. Yo. I gotta wake my wife up. Fuck this shit. Babe.